Alright, we're going to do a true dry start of the car. Now it's been sitting at least 3 or 4 weeks. I could probably look it up and see exactly, but it's been sitting for quite a while now. I've been driving the P7B exclusively for several weeks. And so I wanted to see how the oil additive would do. So we're going to do a true dry start. We're not going to do any kind of flood start or any manipulation here. We're going to truly see how much noise we get out of the drivetrain when I start her up. Doing it with just regular oil before and letting it sit for several weeks, it was so bad it got misfires, check engine light and everything before the oil finally circulated. So we'll see what the oil additive does for us. Say I'm impressed. There was a little bit of ticky noise when it first started, but that settled down real quick. So now it sounds about like it normally sounds when I've been driving it every day. So a short little video, just wanted to give a follow-up, and obviously this stuff is for real. So go get you some if you got a Dodge Charger.